Good day everyone. Today we're going to solve a problem about power plant variable load. The annual peak load of a 15,000 power plant is 10,500 kilowatts. Two substations are supplied by this plant. Annual energy is dispatched to substation A, which is 27,500,000 kilowatts per hour, with a peak load at 8,900 kilowatts and 16,500,000 kilowatts per hour are sent to substation B with a peak load at 6,500 kilowatts. And neglect line losses. Find the diversity factor between substation and capacity factor of the power plant. So we have a given of annual peak load, which is 10,500 kilowatts, and plant capacity, which is 15,000 kilowatts. Substation A is 27,500,000 kilowatts per hour with peak load of 8,900 kilowatts. And substation B is 16,500,000 kilowatts per hour with a peak load of 6,650 kilowatts. And we're going to solve for diversity factor between two substations and capacity factor. So we have a formula here. Diversity factor is equals to sum of demands of two substations over peak load. So our diversity factor is 8,900 plus 6,650 over 10,500, which is equals to 1.48. And our capacity factor is equals to net kilowatt per hour per substation over plant capacity times 8,760 hours. So capacity factor is equals to 27,500,000 plus 16,500,000 over 15,000 times 8,760, which equals to 0.33. That's all.